I am recording this video from a place where many of us spend a lot of our time, a video conference call. And if you have been on a video call in the past year or so, you have probably been on a call that an AI assistant had joined. And I'm going to be completely honest, this always weirds me out a little bit. The AI joins, it gets its little box, and then it just sits there silently listening for the whole call. And I wonder, what is it doing? Is it judging me? Is it misunderstanding me? And I suspect many of you have had those same feelings as you've looked at the box of AI on your video call. So when we got our hands on OpenAI's new real-time API with WebRTC support, we wondered if we could combine it with Cloudflare Calls to create a better experience. And I'm incredibly stoked to show you a demo of what we built, so let's dive in. I'm already in the application. This is something called Orange Meets. It's an open source video call application that we built on Cloudflare. And we've added this button that says Invite AI. When we click that, we can give the AI some instructions. I'll leave those as default, and we can pick a voice, which I'll leave as default as well. And then we get our familiar AI box on the call. But there's something different about this. First of all, it can't hear anything we're saying until we click this Talk to AI button, which is really nice because we can have our conversation without worrying about the AI eavesdropping, and then we can pull it in when we need it. So when I click this, I'm going to say, "Hey AI, can you introduce yourself?"
Hello, I'm an AI assistant here to help you with Orange Meets, a video chat application. I can assist you with various tasks, answer questions, and provide information. How can I help you today?
And that's the second thing that's different is we can interact back and forth. So it doesn't just listen, it has a conversation back. You can do a lot of interesting things with this. One of my favorite is if you have people on the call who speak different languages, you can have it do translation. So I can say, "Hey, can you say, 'Hello, my name is Ricky' in Spanish?"
Hola, me llamo Ricky.
So there it is. I'm going to remove this and I'll invite it back, but this time we're going to give it some different instructions. And this is just like giving a prompt on LLM, but we're doing it for a voice that we're talking to. I'm going to say, "Talk like a pirate." Maybe not the most practical example, but now when we hold to talk, we can say, "Hey AI, introduce yourself."
Ahoy, matey! I be your trusty AI, ready to serve ye on the vast digital seas. Whether ye need assistance or just a good old yarn, I'm at your service. Shiver me timbers, let's embark on a grand adventure together.
So there it is, Pirate AI in our meeting that we can talk to. As I mentioned, this is all open source in our Orange Meets application, github.com/cloudflare/orange. So if you want to see how this works, you can jump into this. You can edit it yourself. I actually did that this morning. I have wanted to make a murder mystery game with AI that I could play in a video call. And so I took Orange Meets and I turned it into what I call Orange Detectives. I can start a new murder mystery. I can join it. And this time I can summon my mystery host, which I've defaulted a prompt for. And when it comes in, we can say, "Hey, let's start the game."
Welcome, detectives, to the grand old mansion of Sir Reginald Montgomery. Tonight, we find ourselves in the parlor, surrounded by
So I won't make you listen to the whole game. If you want to play, drop me a message. I'd love to play a game of it with you. We can't wait to see what ideas you all have with this and what you're able to build with AI and Cloudflare calls. Please drop us a message on Discord, on X, on Blue Sky, on YouTube, and show us what you build when you get your hands on this. Thanks a lot.